Equinox. So to start, we got two little panels we got to pop off here. Just put a screwdriver in, they pop right out. Then we got one up here, pops right out. And then we have a couple little bolts in there. They should be 7mm. I'm going to go ahead and take those out as well. One, two. The top one's 7mm. Then these bottom two in here are going to be 8mm. Pop those out. And that should be all that's holding her in. So now we should be able to grab our pry tool, pry on the edges here. It should just come right out. Okay. We're gonna have to lift up over the locking mechanism. Then we have down here a couple different plugins. Should pull this tab back to unlock, and it should pull right out. Then right here we have another little connection. Grab our screwdriver. It's got a locking tab on it. Should just push out. Okay. And last but not least, we got the cable here for the door. We need to undo. This one should just pull right out. Next, remove this little sound dampener. This just pulls off as well. Now, all I got left is a whole lot of 10mm. And this one plug in, you push the tab down and it pulls right out. Okay. Then we got one right here. Another one right there. One down here. Another right here. Now, we're going to leave that last 10mm holding the rail here. Now we're going to take off the window. There's one right here, and there's one right here. Okay, that's one. And you're going to want to hold the window at the same time, it'll fall down. Okay, that's two. Now that we got those, we should be able to undo this last bolt. Now, we're going to lower the window down slowly and finagle her out of her house. You got a little clip right here holding it in. Now the old one's out. Got my me-to-me regulator. Going the same way it came out. You want these tracks up here on the top.